Wheezer!
And the Asthmatic Avenger, defeating allergens to protect.
Wheezer!
And the Asthmatic Avenger,
Defeating allergens
to protect the world.
Wheezer!
And the Asthmatic Avenger,
Defeating
allergens to protect the world.
Asthmatic Avenger, Asthmatic Avenger! I am at the human boy Fred's house. He says that there is a disturbance over his bed. I think we know who it is. It's the Dust Mite Queen and her Dust Mite minions. I think they've been up to something very bad. You should get over here. Quick! Go! Gosh, where is he? It's been like 10 minutes.
Here I am, Wheezer.
Where have you been?
I was fighting the eczema monster again. I can't seem to keep him down.
He doesn't keep down, does he?
No, he just keeps on itching. Oh my God! It's the Dust Mite Queen! Ah!
You two fumbling idiots! You've fallen right into my trap! Now I will defeat you! I will shrink you and destroy you for good!
You idiots! Ah! Watch out!
Oh no, we're shrinking!
Is it over yet? Ah!
Oh my God, no!
Is it over yet? Tell me!
Now I have you two fools! You thought you could defeat me, but you were wrong! Now I'm going to take over every household and make everybody in the world with asthma and allergies sneeze to death! Attack, Evil Dust Mite minions, attack!
We must defeat the Wheezer! Yes! Use them, quick! Yes! I'll get the vacuum!
We are defeated! No, this can't be possible! No! They just got the vacuum!
Yes! We defeated the Dust Mite Queen and the minions! Fred's bedroom is safe again, thanks to Asthmatic Avenger and
Wheezer!